It's so broken, so hopefully we're not gonna hurt ourselves doing this.
We're probably gonna end up at the hospital, but let's take this into the garage. Let's get.
So I tried to set this up pretty good so we won't make a massive mess.
Really, really warm in here. You guys can't feel it, but it's hot.
It's like 90 degrees probably in here.
Alright, so here she is.
She is on the ground right there. Everything's broken. The hard drive's broken. The memory's broken. There's nothing we can do. We have a new computer, so we're saying goodbye to her today. And luckily, I happen to have a Warhammer.
Too bad we don't have goggles.
I know, we don't have that. This could end up being a fail video very quickly.
Can I even lift this thing up?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Oh, okay, I can.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna destroy this Warhammer.
I'm nervous.
Okay, don't let your eyes be too close to it.
Okay.
Alright, here she goes.
Oh no, here we go.
Okay. You hit it on top.
Okay.
Alright, wait, don't swing it. Stop swinging it. Wait, look, it's injured. It's injured. Oh god, I'm scared.
Step away.
It's gonna be loud, isn't it?
Our neighbors are calling and call the police.
Here we go. This old lady, I'm just gonna step.
Don't get too close.
This old lady can survive.
Really take a beating.
I know, I'm surprised.
Beat on her.
Okay, I'm zooming in. Really good. You can see he's injured.
Okay, ready?
He's going for it. Don't hurt yourself. Jen's done almost nothing to this. That's why I'm going after she goes.
Okay.
Okay, here she goes. Okay, I'm gonna lay her down.
Yeah, good idea.
We're gonna put her down. Like that. Oops. I did more damage than Jen did.
Okay, here we go. This is gonna be better.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think she stepped it. Maybe?
Her hat's coming off.
She has a little dent on her.
She does?
I think so.
The slightest dent ever. We have a Warhammer and Jen can barely hurt this thing.
I'm swinging this thing pretty hard, too.
Wait, I'm gonna zoom out so I can see Jen swing.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh my god. Yes! Look, we did something.
The head fell off. Should we separate?
Yes.
Alright guys, help us out here. Grab that for us. You can see, oh my god, it's dusty.
She's a pinata.
She's like so dusty. You wouldn't dust this in here.
Anything gonna come out of her?
Maybe.
Okay, come on. We should have filled her with like treats and
That
stuff.
would have been really weird.
How many more times am I gonna do this?
I don't know until you make some progress. Alright, Jen's turn might be almost over, guys. It's so hot in here, you have to swing this heavy thing.
She's looking a little hurt though.
She has a couple little dents in it. Honestly, she probably still works.
Here we go.
She's put me through so much lately.
I'm waiting for her guts to explode all over the place.
That is not going to happen with you hitting it.
Oh man.
Here she goes. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. Okay.
Do you think we should turn it over to you since I'm not making much progress?
I think you're right. I think it's my turn.
I think it's time. What are you doing right
I
now?
don't have goggles, but I can protect my eyes with plastic.
Improvise.
I can't see very well.
DIY goggles.
Okay.
We have plastic wrap.
For 5 cents, guys, we protect your eyes, I think. Oh, this is hurting my
You
eyes.
really look very protected.
It is, because
Okay.
something, a fleck of, I can't see a thing.
Alright, let me get far away.
Something worse.
I'm nervous about this. Be careful.
I can't see as well as I can see before.
Alright, let me like zoom in.
Are we ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Oh my gosh, first hit.
The head is gone.
Oh,
You see that
let me
damage?
zoom in more.
I can't see it at all with this
It
one.
looks real nice. Keep going.
She's put me through a lot lately.
There's parts flying everywhere.
That's why I bet it's not genius, guys. Alright, here we go.
Yes.
You see that? She's
Oh
pulling her
my
head.
goodness.
Alright, should I throw her?
Yeah, do that. I feel like it's harder that way though.
I don't know, you're gonna find out right now.
Let me get a better view. Okay, go. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Let me come closer. Oh man, look at it. Look at that.
It's not too bad. here we go. Let me get my goggles back on.
Oh, yes. Keep your eyes protected.
Alright, hard drive, I know where she is.
Oh! What is that? Ground, your guts just flew out. What is this? Oh my gosh.
That is a lot of dust.
Ton of dust.
Oh man, look at all this. It's all like,
Oh, it's all dented.
everything's dented really bad. I'm gonna shoot for that part right there next.
All right, let me get back in my position.
Alright.
Is your eye goggles holding up?
Yes, they're working really good.
Okay, good.
Okay, let me be back a little bit further. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's the spot. Go.
Okay. I removed whatever it was.
You did it. Is it the fan?
No, I think the fan's on the other side.
Okay. Oh.
I think we've done it, Dad.
We did it.
I
She's
think
dead.
it's off.
Is her heart beating still? I can hear it faintly beating.
I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Everything completely destroyed. Except
Can I take one more swing at her?
I don't think-
Finish her off.
I don't think you should because whatever was in there was wet and now there's like water.
What? There's water?
Look, there's like water in it.
Oh no.
She's pretty beaten.
She's crying.
She'll probably explode.
I can't believe the amount of dust that came out of her.
I know that is a
So
ridiculous amount.
dirty.
But that I think is the end of the video.
We did it.
I'm really sweating.
I'm really sweaty. Like,
feel really-
really sweaty.
I feel really sweaty. It's so
You're
hot.
listening.
Thank you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You look like an angel right now. Of death. What was I saying?
Oh, you're ending the video.
Oh, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe.